Hey everyone, it's Aslan here. Welcome to my YouTube live. Let me just share this live to my Facebook group. If you're not a Facebook group member, you can join. The links under this video. So all the links almost. Let me just confirm everything works fine. And yeah, where is the link? Okay, so alright. Okay, hello Deep. Oh yeah, thank you. I'm doing good. Hope you're doing good as well. I'm just showing the links, guys. Bitcoin is making a bear flag right now. We broke the bull flag last night, but it's making a bear flag right now and is going down. I will just show you in a minute right now. Okay, you know what, this YouTube is being annoying because it's not updating my new thumbnail. Hey guys, hope everyone is having a great day today. Let me just share with you the Bitcoin analysis first before we go to any other one. It's not looking great today. I don't know how to refresh this because Facebook keeps showing my old. Alright, let me see BitPlay. Let me try this way. It may work. Okay. What's the title? No, I need to change the title. Okay, Bitcoin and alts. Right. I'm good, guys. Hope you're having a great day as well. Seems to be awesome doing both. What was gonna do? Bear flag. Okay, that looks better. Okay, hopefully updated now. Okay, it's updated. Right, let me just copy this and see how it goes. Hopefully I get the new thumbnail this time. Facebook, show me your power. And now it's showing the same thing. Sucks. Alright, the only option is just to give the link. Guys, right now it's very hard to say because BTC is about to break the support. I'll show you in a minute. Give me a second. Let me just share this in the group. I don't want anyone to miss it, and then later on they're gonna say, oh, we don't know, you never told us. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. Just taking the pace right now. Bitcoin, can you guys hear me well? Everything is working fine, hopefully it is. Okay, it's all good right now. Anyways, guys, let me just share with you what Bitcoin is looking like right now. It's not looking good. Hey, we broke this. Okay, I was going to sell here, but just because of this live, last time something happened, I was doing live setting it up and I missed the chance to sell it. I could have sold here and bought back like down there wherever I could, but at least I would have had more advantage back there. Right now we have seen weakness. Okay, if you see here, the top here, we had almost RSI topping here, but in this situation we went even higher than that, but the RSI was lower than the previous one. That shows weakness in the market, and we made double top here and the bear flag, and we are breaking that, and that's not a good sign at all. And we had some uncertainty here, like people don't know that this was a sales signal at this, but it went up, and then again sales signal, and basically we're coming down right now, and I'm not happy about it. Simple as that. Okay, now I'm gonna have difficulty by alright, so this is a bear flag right now, guys. You can see. Let's see where we're gonna go next. Hopefully, which is not most likely to happen, we have been making a good patterns right now. 4 hour, I mean double top, it's not a good pattern. We made double top here. If you see at the top, we made a similar patterns here at 17,000, which is not a good sign. Let's go to 4 hours. If you see here, we made exact same pattern here like we made there, this one, which I thought I should have sold here as well, because if you see here, we had a top here on RSI, but the next one even was higher than that, but we had weakness. Bull had weakness, and that was a pure sign of bear that's gonna go down, and we were up here and down here. So yeah, you got the point. So let's see what's gonna happen, but we have bear flag here, and which we're breaking right now. Let's go to 1 hour again. I'm not sure how to get my chats outside so you guys can see the chat as well, or I can see as well. Right now I'm having difficulty to see the chat. Let me just take the chat out. Alright, setting, manage moderator, pop out chat. I think pop out chat, you can't see it, only I can see that. I'm not sure about that really. I'm not sure, because you will see the black screen on the side. That's the chat. Okay, so okay guys, yeah, feel free to ask questions. Right now I just everyone that wants to know about BTC, I already told you guys what I'm thinking right now about BTC. I see weakness. Okay, and Bitcoin broke the trend. Okay, it's a red flag, and we had a double top and weakness in bulls. So many bulls waiting still. They're gonna buy low, either low or either after 26th. One of those things gonna happen. And if you see, we had decline volume here. The volume keep declining, keep going down. If we take the big one out, we still have a volume down, like quite down. Look at this. This is not a good sign. We're going up, but there's not much volume there. There is a 1-2 spike. It does not matter much, just 1 or 2 spike, and other than that, volume has been low, very low actually. I don't know what to do here at this point. You know, First we had a last night when I updated in my Facebook group, we had a bear flag that we broke on up, which was looking good, you know. We had a support here with a decent volume, and then we broke up, and now we're breaking down. So what I can expect here is go down to 10k maybe, but we're gonna get support here. It's very hard to say at this point because we haven't broke any support yet other than this trend line. We still have support. Some people look at just support and resistance levels. If by looking at that, we have a support at this area, next support at this area, we're gonna get there. Okay, so let's see alts now. It's time for alts. Alright guys, bring your alts. Just gonna be here for an hour. Okay, there's so many asking for XRP. Alright. Let's go to 4 hour and see what's happening with alts. Oh my god, what? Okay, DGB is looking alright here at this point. It's looking decent. We had a pretty big spike here, decent size. It was around 10%, and we had pretty good green volume. There has been accumulation going on in DGByte. We had this and then this. The selling is not much yet, but there's more buying here comparing to here. We had a lot of selling here, and we start getting some buying. We may see a good spike on in DGByte in coming days. Maybe with the time when everything goes up, DGB maybe will follow it. So I think DGByte is gonna follow that with every single coin. Right now it's not looking bad. It's looking decent to me. Just without anything, it looks good. Just looking like the chart right now, it can give some profit. It's gonna go up with other arts. The way it's moving strongly, making green candles, and the next support is 510. Okay, even buy here, you can set stop loss of 510. It should hold that level, this level. Yeah, 510. If you really want to buy it, this is the point. I mean, I'm not going to say here, okay, go buy this and that. If you ask me for it, and I will just say, okay, this is a good point to hold or buy. The thing is very high already comparing to these lows. If we see a fib level, let's see where it came back to the least. So it came to 50% fib level. Actually came to 618 already, and then now testing the 51 is pretty good. But right now this is being annoying. It keeps showing me this. I don't know how to turn it off. I can't do it. XRP is bearish. Say bye bye to BTC, by the way. Say bye bye to it. Okay, so XRP. Okay, we broke that support. We have this support here right now. Is holding this. If we break this, then maybe not a good sign. We got good support at this area, just around this area. Yeah, we should hold this area. If we break this, the next one is this 11,000, and then we will see. By end of the day, I don't see much volume in this. I don't see any volume in XRP. Only selling. Look at this, selling these red bars comparing to buying. We had buying here because that day everything pumped together, but this is different. You said you are going to see new high. Okay, did you watch my video carefully? What did I said? If we break, we're gonna come back to 8k. It's possible to come back. Okay, go watch again my video, yesterday video. Let me just open it for you. I'll share with you. I said we are holding well, but end of the day, if there's no volume, there's no support, we're gonna break, of course. You know that every day the trend does change. You can't just say 100% is gonna go up and up and up. There is gonna be ups and downs. Okay, right now looking at it, is breaking the trend. Of course I'm gonna say, okay, right now the thing's changing. If it doesn't break the trend down, it's keep going up, of course it's gonna go up. And if it breaks down, I said we may see 8,000. I mean, believe or not, it's up to you. I'm not here to say 100% is gonna happen. You know, right now you can see it's breaking the trend. I can't stop it. Okay, I can't stop it. I don't control the market. I can only say what I see it. Okay, I didn't know yesterday we have a we're gonna go up again and see a weakness in the volume. Come on, make some sense, guys. Okay, yeah, the TRX is XRP. Let me see the XRP well, and XRP I wouldn't buy here for now. XRP, it does pump with all other coins. It does pump well with other coins, but we will see. Let's see if XRP can break this level at 12,782. Even this one, it all depends. Right now it doesn't look good. There's not much volume. It needs a good news. Even we had a great news here, partnership with Western Union, I guess, here, and look what happened. Slowly came down. It just downtrend. There's big fishes like out of this market now. They are not buying it. Only most newbies are buying it here and selling it. The big guys are already out of the market. They already sold here. Look at this selling volume. This selling. There was a huge selling going on here. There was a lot of buying from newbies here. And then the selling started. Selling has been started from here. Then here. A lot of selling going on there. And these are the big players game. There's nothing much left in XRP for now. Looking at the Satoshi value. We even broke the big trend. We even broke that trend. We went up. The major trend is broken. Like, I would have sold mine. That's a sale sign for me. For me, I'm saying. You don't have to follow like what I'm saying right now. When the trend is broken, when the trend breaks, I'm out. I'm out of the market. Like, this is a major trend that broke already, which is not a good sign at all. If you're holding long term, and I'm expecting a correction like this, maybe. Okay, I'm not saying, I don't want you to sell in loss and then blame me if it goes up. If there's a big news, of course it's gonna take it higher. Look at this. We had a major trend broke. When the major trend breaks, this is what you see. It's gonna try hard to go up again, but at some point it will just keep coming down. This must be a huge news that came in and pumped this, and then slowly keep drying. If there's no news or hype, it will dry. Simple as that. Okay, that's what happens. You need to look at these things. Okay, at this level, I'm not saying, guys, here to buy anything. Okay, don't buy because I'm saying here. And about ETC, I bought ETC yesterday. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint me. Okay, ETC is not looking good. Okay, just by looking right now, it should hold this level. If we break this level, this is an out signal almost. This should be hold. And we did break a small level here. We did had a small break here, but right now it's just out of it and taking support here, but nothing special here, like nothing that looks wow. It's not attractive right now. A huge selling going on here. Is he selling bar? People are selling here scared. I don't know what to say. This market is so low right these days. The volume is declining everything. The volume is very low in everything. Let's see what coin market cap has to say about the Bitcoin domination. How many of you watching today right now? 69. So we have this is being here. Like I seen this from last 3 days, 34.6, 34.7, 34.8%. That's what I seen in last few days. And right now, if you see, most coins are red. Some are just pumping with the news or for some reason. Many coins are just there sitting there, not doing much. Just accumulate and see how it goes, because is a risk. End of the day, I'm expecting a good pumps 20 after the CME group future contracts expired. Look at this. I mean, this is not good. The volume is keep going down every single day, and I can see the weakness. We keep making a lower loss. TNC coin. Okay, let me check TNC coin. So many of you asked for TNC coin. It's not even on I don't know which exchange is it on. It's not even here. It must be a shitty exchange, probably. Buy and hold, please. Ready tomorrow. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I really love Steem and publish Steem daily, but seriously. But my naming experience. Alright, so INS. Let me check INS. I was looking for it. Like, check in. Oh my god, this is not good. This is not looking good, guys. I wouldn't buy at this level. I want to see a positive sign. No positive signs yet. I would say if you buy here, just put stop loss at 2% lower, because if it breaks this, then it's gonna go lower. If it doesn't, it's gonna give you good profit. It's all about your luck here, you know. There is a support, is making a decent pattern right now. Is in consolidation right now. I think because of this is taking support, we're making a lower high. Yeah, lower high. What do you think about the future? As I said in my last video, is we're not sure. No one is really. What happened is when the future contract started, the first one, people thought they're gonna go long, and everyone start buying Bitcoin. And the next CME group, when their contract came out, and Bitcoin dumped. So right now we already seen Bitcoin dumped in the first contracts, and now CME group is a big fight for many people, and they're not much doing much. But I think we may see a pump, because there's no other reason that we are stopping right now. The market is hardly moving. I think it's just because of CME group future contracts. The only thing I can say, buy low, use stop losses, give it some space in stop losses, so even there's a lot of volatility, you won't lose much. It's very hard to say at this point. Okay, I'm not that kind of person say, okay, 100% sure, I'm expert, I'm gonna say and it will happen. No one knows. That's the truth. No one knows what's gonna happen. By end of the day, if you wanna take risk for good profits, accumulate before the contract is expired. That's all I can say. I already seen INS. Is let's see in Cryptopia. No, Cryptopia doesn't have that. This is INS. The safe buy is if it breaks 40,000 Satoshi. If it breaks 40,000 Satoshi, it's gonna be a pretty safe buy. But right now, it's up to you if you wanna buy and set stop loss here below at 37,000 Satoshi. It's up to you. It's gonna be 2% loss if it hits your stop loss, but still I guess worth it. I can't see TNC about TNC anything. Okay. Alright, so let's see which market does it. Okay, it's in KuCoin. Alright, it's growing pretty nicely so far. I don't see there's much hype that's making it go up, but it can be a good opportunity, you know, because there can be inside trading going on. Accumulation seems like the people are accumulating here the way it's going, and yeah. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh, so many coins. And then, you know, regarding TA, still good to buy. The TA of almost every coin is similar today. If you see here, not today, actually almost every day. I was looking coin market cap. If you see on the side, you will see almost many coins are doing similar. They were yesterday doing the almost same moves. Okay, what I was looking for is NEO. NEO has been moving so much recently. Oh my god. Really, it's not a perfect look. Okay, I'm looking at low time frame. 1 second. I don't know why NEO is non-stop. Just keep going and going and going. I wouldn't buy here. I don't know why there's so many selling spikes here. Even alright, let me just go to Bittrex because this doesn't look good. This chart does not look good. Okay, this looks still better than that. Okay, we may see a new high here. Okay, the way it's going, the way it's getting volume and everything, we may see a new high here. Yeah, it's not looking bad. You know, we did break out here. We held the support here. We tested the support and everything. It's not bad buy. If you wanna buy here at 0.0115 around that price, yeah, 115 or 114, you can buy that and just set stop loss. I don't know, stop loss is gonna be a bit bigger one. At 105 is gonna be around 10% stop loss. It's quite big, but the gain, if you're looking for a gain, like big gain, it's gonna be big gains as well. You know, end of the day, big stop loss and big profits. So you see, we had a bull flag and we broke that. If we, for example, if we take this, the first big leg, if we compare that, this is gonna be huge. If it follows like this, it's gonna be huge, like big gains here. You're looking for her almost 100% here. Yeah, we're looking almost 100% if keeps falling. But as far as I know, it's been pumping so much for a long time now, and we almost had double top here, exact same as XRP. Double top is not a good sign. Okay, we had a parabolic moves, and this can be only a test. I mean, I don't know, just because of, I don't know if there's any news, a small pump. But if we close on top of this by end of today, we may see a good move. Yeah, a small run maybe, but crossing this and making a new all-time high is gonna be huge for NEO. crossing this, it's gonna be huge for Neo. I'm not using any indicator here. I didn't even put RSI, MACD, SMAs, moving averages, nothing here. Okay, I'm just doing a simple analysis, looking at the chart. You know, I always use by the way, I always use my indicators like I do here. Like in this one, I always use MACD, RSI, but I'm not using there. Just giving you simple examples what I think. And what you can do is right now there's not much volume. Let the daily candle close, then decide, because daily candle closing will decide better than just looking right now. It can always come back. If it's a news pump doesn't last long, so it can always come back. And the ceiling wasn't much. Okay, if we say that this is ending, nah, I don't think so, because if you see, we did not had big selling here. Okay, we can see a move from Neo again. If you are a long-term holder, keep holding for now, and you may see a good profits, because right now I don't see it going down much, because selling is pretty low comparing to this. There's not much selling overall. Huge selling here, that's it. I think that's the day when Bitcoin dumped bad, and because of that there was a panic selling and all those, but there's not much selling here, so it can be a good sign. If you break a 0.014, you can see a good pump here coming in Neo. You can see a good pump coming in Neo, and breaking that, you can take a risk and buy, and just set stop loss 5% below, because that 5%, losing 5%, can give you a lot more profits. So I think it's worth it. Alright, so what else I was looking at is, yeah, Bitcoin is going down. Not happy with it. Anyways guys, what else is there? Thanks for Neo. You're very welcome. I will be probably wait a daily to close and then decide. Sure, you should wait. Right now it's very hard to say what's gonna happen, but we had a breakout here. If we close up there, it's gonna be a pretty good sign for Neo. So let's see what's gonna happen. But yeah, it looks good. The selling is not much here. It looks good. There's so many coins to see, because if I go in depth in for every coin, is gonna be big. It's gonna be a big job. TRX, nah. If we see right now, TRX needs to break this level, make a new daily high to make a long-term new high. I mean, yeah. So right now what I'm looking at is keep making a lower lows. So right now, if this is the support, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna come here anymore, like any soon. The market is bullish. People are still bullish with altcoins. If you wanna buy TRX, buy around 600 if you can. We did came around 600 today, and just set stop loss below this at around 80. Yeah, 580, around 580. Yeah, Bitcoin in 3 hours. If we make a doji today and then break out, yeah, tomorrow, the thing is keep pumping but coming back, which is not a good sign. But we had one good sign as well. We are making a decent pattern daily as well. We just need to break this again and show that it does have enough power, but right now we're not having good volume, good buyer volume. If it gets a big news, we may see some spike on this like we had here, but nothing much right now. Okay, let me check BQX. It's not looking bullish, my friend. Who said this? It's not looking bullish to me. It's not looking bullish because we made a lower highs actually. We're making lower highs here on daily, and I wouldn't buy here at this point yet. Depending on if it's gonna break out, then we'll see, but right now no chance. Selling volume is pretty low. It's selling slowly. We had huge buying here because of the 17th June. Actually, yeah, 16th and 17th. These 2 days were bullish for every coin, and now we're just seeing more selling than buying. We will see, but the best time will be to buy around this area, I guess. Did we had support here? Yeah, we did actually. Before we did had support at this area. We may touch here, so I wouldn't rush really. And if I buy, I would buy around this area and just set stop loss just here, just below the trend line. I mean, if we break this, we're gonna go below here, and that will be 10% lower than here, so I could have just bought again here. Actually, this can be a long one. This can be a long one, so I wouldn't rush to buy here. I would just wait for now and see how it goes. Wow, it's not looking great. Let's see what RSI has to say. Yeah, there is weakness in the market. A lot of weakness here. There is a lot of weakness, my friend. Alright, so let's just keep that, this background. No, that's it, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so please suggest about ETC and waves. LTC level, IOTA, please check its previous pretty. I already said about Kira. I already said about BQX. Hopefully that helped. But right now, let's see what fib levels have to say. For fib levels is gonna be a lot down. Oh shit. Fib levels is gonna be a lot far from here. My favorite point to buy is around this area. Okay, exact same point that we're expecting here at 50%. We already had a bounce of 618. This was a good buy here. 618. Whenever you see a pump and then a coin comes down 618, just buy it. The risk is very low, and the chance of profits are a bit higher. And if it comes to 786, just buy more here, because at least it's gonna go here, and then you can still make profit as buying low as well. I mean, if you think the coin have good hype, even it dumps, just buy it. It doesn't look too bad so far. We will see that. That could be a pattern of a flag pattern. It's gonna make a flag pattern and then move up, you know. This is highly possible too. Gonna go for next leg, because the buying was huge, the selling is not yet. Okay, you get what I'm trying to say here. We have seen profit taking here, like huge profit taking here. Okay, we are almost 150% down here, so this wouldn't be bad buy, because first time the coin comes down and touch 618, then it tried to get support at 50% next time if the coin is strong and so many eyes on it. So it tried to get support here. So at around 48, 0.00048, so 48,000 Satoshi, that's the level you should be looking for. And then next is your job, what you want to do with it. Okay, please suggest ETN. ETN have the one of the best community I've seen. I wouldn't say ET is the best coin, but the community is huge. All the small YouTuber I see, they're talking about this because it's giving them a lot of exposure and attention. So many newbies are in ETN, so they get easily a lot of exposure. And yeah, so right now I would wait for it and see how it's gonna go. I think we're gonna come here. It's gonna come here around 900 is a decent buy. 900 to 850 to 900 maybe, but 900 is a decent buy for ETN. Don't rush to buy. The thing is, we have seen huge selling here, but not much selling here, you know. It's not much selling. There is weakness in the market, but not much selling. Let's see what's gonna happen. But this is not a time to buy ETN yet, I guess. But end of the day, if you want, sure, you can. Substratum, BRD. This guy asked last time about BRD. Let's check BRD. Let's check what Bitcoin is up to. Alright, you can see the line. Okay, I did draw this line in front of you. Like, we had exact bounce from this, exact bounce, and right now it would come back. Okay, this is a chance. Yeah, market always gonna give you a chance to sell again or do the trade. Basically, actually trade it. It's up to you what you wanna do and how you wanna take that trade. Okay, what GTX is saying here, the orders, sell orders, buy orders. This can go always against you, you never know. But looking at this, hard to say. We had a pretty weak candle here. Right, what if we go to at least this level, touch this? Wouldn't be a bad thing. If it does, then I'll be out. Anyways, what we're looking at, oh my god, BRD. BRD, the support is, next support level is this. Just pray it doesn't come down here. Is still there is a lot of space, around 15% to go. The support is too far yet. But what we can see is, we can see if we go to lower time frame, we can draw a fib level. Right now it's not looking great, but we can draw a fib level and see what level. Okay, what was gonna do? I forgot myself. From here to there. It came down to 786 and then bounced. 786 and bounce is, it's not bad. It's not bad. But I will still wait. I will still wait for it. I will still wait. Anyways, let's see. BRD. If you just go here, just hold and see how it goes, because I'm not really interested in this chart. Okay, there's always selling going on here, not much buying. Maybe accumulation that's going on right now, but maybe it's gonna make a double bottom here and then a pump. Okay, this is possible to see, but right now I wouldn't be interested in this yet if I have to buy. Bro, check the price of INS. I already checked in of INS. Subtrastum, Altcoin, check NXT Altcoin. David, Bitcoin not looking that is gonna go up yet. Already shared that is it breaking. It already broke the trend actually, and right now it's just trying to test the support. I'm just saying everything that I'm saying right now. Even the volume is low, it shows the weakness, and right now it can't break this. What MA is this one? 20. I don't know which one is it. 12. It can't break the 12 EMA exponential. 1 second. Nah, it doesn't matter. There is not much buying. Okay, so just small buying, trying to make the price go up, which may happen, may not, but most likely not, because last time when it broke the trend here, here as this is what we've seen. This is when we broke the trend. This is what we've seen from here to there. When we broke this, look what happened. Boom. That's what I'm expecting. Boom here. Maybe by, as long as we hold this area, I think it's gonna be good for Bitcoin overall. This area, we may come down and then go up again and make a new high, like higher than this. We did, but there was a lot of weakness, and then we dumped again. Alright, so guys, there's so many coins I have to do. If I go in details for every coin, it's gonna be long. If you're not following me on Steem, and make sure you do. The links are gonna be under this video. I'm pretty sure there are links under this video about Steem. Yeah, there is. If you're not following me there, make sure you do. It's pretty good one. I mean, it's great. I haven't uploaded anything yet today. I'm not sure if I download this video and upload there as well. Yeah, it's been going very well for me so far. Steem price, I think we've seen a bump in Steem. Yeah, oh my god, that's a huge bump. I should have just bought it, man. I believe on this because the huge community size and people to buy more power, they just buy it, because if you see the Steem chart, it looks so good. It shows that huge buying is going on. There must be something big. Look at this. I mean, there's nothing much to say about it. I mean, it's so strong, this coin is. We had a pretty good zone here, accumulation area, not much volume, but suddenly boom, a spike, and we had a breakout, like pretty good one, and now it's getting support at this area. My drawing sucks. Bro, check the answer, but Koinigi not showing right chart. No, Koinigi showing is showing an Binance chart. Binance is recently listed on Binance, so don't worry. I don't know why I'm feeling so sleepy today. I haven't slept much yet. LTC buy level, please. Okay, let's see LTC. This live seems boring. I'm moving house by end of this month. I'm gonna have a proper setup of everything. I'm gonna have a green screen and all these things. Guys, do you see right now? Didn't I said it's just a testing the market. You see, we are 1% low already. For 1% for Bitcoin is pretty much a lot. Very hard to see Bitcoin below 8K for now, but end of the day it depends. Okay, no one can really 100% say anything for sure about Bitcoin, but right now I have been saying things. We broke this, we tested again, we had one more chance to take that trade and sell it. That's how it works, you know. You just need to wait for that moment. Alright, let me just see. NXT BNB coin, it just goes up. It doesn't really follow the technical analysis much, because what happens is BNB coin have a lot of support from their members, so that is why. What the heck? What? Why this chart looks like this? So much volume. I don't know how, why. I had seen pretty good hype about this coin, and it does holding pretty well. I think the accumulation is going on in this one. It may move well. This is a pretty good area for this. I don't know if I try to buy this, because it's not looking bad. The way it's going on, there is selling, but there is buying as well. Is holding pretty well that level. Yeah, we may see a moves in this APPC, because the project behind this is the application program that I use. It's called IOTA. One second. IOTA app. Okay, this is the website. I think they are the one that made the coin, which is huge thing. They are very big. The application is very big, and right now they have their own coin, which is just great. Look at these downloads non-stop. Every second they are getting so many downloads, which is good thing. Okay, so what was doing next? I will just put my I hope there would be a voting option that you guys can vote, and then I will look for that coin. Hello. Okay, game doesn't look too bad. There's more selling than buying in game, but it doesn't look too bad as of yet. In small time frame, actually. In bigger one, it doesn't look great. In the full picture, it broke the trend already. I tried to go up, I failed. You know, that's what happened. You see a lot of fake out in this market because of FOMO, and then it's not looking good. Game is not looking good. To me, this is not a good sign. It's a sell sign to me. I'm expecting a game coin to come here. Let's see what fib levels have to say. Yep, exact same point. We already got support at 50 fib level. If we break that, we're gonna get support here at this area, around 27,000 Satoshi for the game. I think that's what's gonna happen. That's what I'm expecting right now here at this level. We had 4-hour RSI almost oversold. One of the reason of this bounce. 50 fib level is one of the reason of this bounce, but end of the day, if it's done right now, and I'm expecting a move here, slowly a move here. Mada is doing all right. it's making a decent move. The way it's going up, slowly building it. We've seen a spike. We need to see this break to see a more volume coming in. This needs to be break, which is not really easy. I'm sure not gonna be really easy, because the profit taking is huge in this market right now. It's not a big move anyway, so it can maybe with a small pullback we may see that. We may see some support at this area. So MADA, I have already checked MADA. MADA is not looking too bad. We already made, okay, one more thing if you guys don't know yet is we made a cup and handle formation here with MADA. We came down around a 50% here, and then we broke this level, which made it to pump, and that pump was, let's see if that is long enough. Yeah, actually that pump was almost exact the same level of it should be, and that's why you seen huge more. And now I don't think so it's gonna pump easily and much yet, because I already had huge spikes recently, few days ago. So right now we may see some silence here in this market. Give it time now, give it time. You know me, I don't know you. Stratis 112. Come on Stratis, don't be so disappoint me, man. Don't be like that. Don't be one of those. It's not looking good. We have next support around 110 of Stratis. We should hold that. If not, the next, yeah, 110. We should hold that. If not, the next one is 18 and then 14. Right now this is very strong area for Stratis. We should hold this area, trust me. I'm not gonna be happy. Yeah, this is the area we should hold for Stratis for next move. I'm really hoping for next move because it does have huge ICO, I mean big ICO, the first ICO end of this month. I really want Stratis to hold that. Okay, I really want Stratis to hold here. It's not looking a great chart, but because of the news I'm holding it. The only reason that that making me hold this. Okay, as I said, my the trend breaking is a sale sign for me. You see, it already tested the trend here and it just failed. It failed, and this is a sale sign, and only a hype, news hype, can make it back up. Otherwise, oh my god, it's very hard to say what's gonna happen with it. Not a good sign, really. Honestly, not a good sign here for Stratis. Technically, if someone is just trading on technical analysis, this is sign of getting out of the market. But because of the news, we made a sign of trend changing here, and then we made a higher lows and then higher high, and this is right now a small trouble for us because we're not making a good sign here yet. So hopefully it doesn't break this 110 break. I think is out sign. Yeah, 110 break. By end of the day, news, when there's a news hype, it doesn't look for these trends or anything. It doesn't look technical analysis, it just goes because newbies buy that hype. IOTA, should I cash out? Nope, I did not set that to anyone to cash out. Bitfinex, IOTA. Alright, IOTA not looking good because IOTA had hack and the bad news and the bad patterns here. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Can you see every high is lower than the previous high? Every high is lower than previous high. So this is a pure downtrend, I mean bad signal to hold long term at this point until we don't see a break. As long as we hold this level around this area and we consolidate for few days actually here and then move up, that could be a good sign, but right now it is not a good sign. That's all I'm saying. You see, we already broke a 618 fib level. But let me see if we put here, what does it say? Yeah, it works better here. Okay, yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Very hard at this moment to say anything what's gonna happen. 20,019 to 20,000 Satoshi is a must hold level. The volume is low, a lot of FUD in IOTA. I wouldn't touch IOTA for now. I already mentioned ETC. What did I mention? Okay, did I even see ETC? Right, ETC is just holding because of the fork. We may see a bad moves from ETC, which I really want anything to happen to ETC, because I bought ETC just to hold, just because of the fork. We may see that coming here around 24-25 area. This is a good support area for it as well. This one, I think I need to change. We should hold this. If you haven't bought yet, just wait a little bit more. We may see it going here around 24, just below 25, 0.0025 by 26th of January. If we don't see a pumps, it's not looking great anyways so far. Nothing special in it so far. So up to you what you not do, because it already broke the trend and it's trying to hold the levels. You see, it already, the minor trend is already broken here, and this was a get out from the trade sign for now. I mean, there's a huge news, and that news can pump it any day, anytime. So it's up to you. Come on, Bitcoin, do show something. You know, these beer guys, they just wanted to dump. Okay, as long as we hold, that's fine. Okay, whilst I was looking at AM block ICO is a positive to invest. I don't really know about it. I did whitelist it for air block because one of my friends said it's gonna be a good one, so I said why not. I don't really have time to investigate and research for ICO. I just do it. I just invest what I can afford to lose. Right now, investing in ICO, just looking at the basic thing. If I spend 1 hour on ICO research just to look the project and the team, it looks legit. It looks like there is effort that are going in the project. I just invested just because of that. It looks good, and watch few YouTube videos what they have to say, because they read the white papers some, and I watch few of them, and that's what I do. That's the research I do, because right now the hype and everything, it just makes the coin go up at least 1, 2x, 100%, 2, 3, 4, depends. You trust? I never read a white paper. Trust me, this is just a paper. Okay, people who think that okay the paper will come reality, no, of course not. Just few will come reality, few projects, not all. So if you just gonna invest and think Okay, this looks just too good to be true, and this may be big. It's just not. I have token pay that I'm waiting for exchange to go in exchange and distribution. I'm waiting for Salpay. Salpay, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be decent one. Looks good, and that's why I invested. LBC has done the full cycle already. LBC. No, not really. Yeah, it did break out here. Yeah, just did. Nothing great so far. The volume is just okay. You know, I would still wait. Yeah, I did break out. Let's see what's gonna happen if we get enough attention here. Buy was looks alright. If you wanna take risk, you can put your stop loss at 3-4% away. Yeah, actually 5% at 5,700, and you can try that. It's up to you, but I don't know. I wouldn't right now. I wouldn't buy anything because I have other things to do. And right now, if you see, it's looking good. It's looking good. We didn't had enough selling here this area comparing to this, and there was a buyer strength here, so that's why it broke out pretty nicely. You can see the bottoms. When there is a double bottom, it's not just the double bottom here, the double bottom on the RSIs as well. It shows a huge sign of the strength. Even we had here double bottom in RSI, and even this wasn't a double bottom. This one, it came lower than that, but it had a buyer strength. There were more buyer here, so that's why it gone up again. Everyone is talking about it, and that's why newbies are selling it. You know, it's just happening. You know, same thing I was saying is happening right now. Let's see what's gonna happen, if we wanna hold this level or not. Expecting to hold this level. Breaking this is not gonna be good. Breaking this, absolutely not acceptable. There's nothing else to look for, because if it breaks this, the next level is gonna be this one at 9,500. I mean, unless it gets supports here at higher time frame. Okay, always look for higher time frame, because low time frame sucks sometime. Guys, we're not really sure yet what's gonna happen, so it can be 4 hour, just a lower test of the market. It's gonna come here at this level, 850, 10,850, and then we may see a bounce back, something like that. I can be expected. Damn, look at this. I haven't seen this 4 hour bar. This is huge. Why did we had so much volume? And we crossed 50 RSI in 4 hours as well. Hopefully we keep that up. If we do, it's gonna be good. We still have 2 hours 50 minutes to go. Okay, I believe in your Bitcoin. Just by looking at small time frame, we're not gonna say we're gonna go back to 8,000. No, of course not. Looking at this, comparing to all others, this looks nice. I don't know why we had so big, and I haven't noticed that before. Is it really true that we had this big of? Let me check here. Why I can't see here any big like that? Is it fake? Is this fake? If it's real, this is huge. I don't know. Maybe manipulating the market somehow. Okay, we just touched 830. Yeah, we just touched 830. If it breaks, let's watch the crash together. But 6 hour we're making a decent pattern. Okay, we're making high lows. Yeah, lower highs. Actually, I always get confused in this. Okay, but when I want to say it, I always get confused. Let's see. Yes, he can. She read. Chill out, guys. For now, it's going to 8k. No, really. I don't think right now yet it's going to 8k. It's holding that level so far. We still have 2 hours. How many hours? 2 hours 48 minutes to go. I won't lose a hope, because 4 hour. Our next support is this. Actually this and that, both. Actually this area. If we break this, and I'll see what I'm gonna do, but I'm not really sure yet. But for now, I'm not worried. I'm not worried, and you shouldn't be worried. If you're holding long term, what do you think about market do? Opposite. Let's see what other candles have to say. Hikonachi candles. You see, this is the candle that we have a support at 559, 10,559. This is the next level to look for at 4 hours. So if you're getting panic for no reason, okay, we're holding pretty nicely. Let's remove this right now, because we only seen a break of the trend in lower time frames, but bigger time frames we are still fine. You know, we are still fine, my friends, still fine. We broke here, but so damn unlucky that we broke and we came back. This is what happens in Bitcoin. So many fake outs. It pisses me off sometimes. I get annoying about this. The fake outs Bitcoin does so many. And we're gonna get support resistance here as well, but at least we should break first this and get support here and then break that. So far it's just fine. It's fine. It's so far I'm not scared of this anyway. That's a big news for. Okay, XRP, I just saw a notification that there is a big news for XRP. LBC, as I said, if you already know what I said, if not, just go back and you will see. Let's see if we see an XRP pump. Nope, not much. Let's see if we break this in XRP. Let's see. Guys, I don't see any new comments. You're overacting. I'm overacting, yeah, a little bit. Nah, I'm not overacting. I'm just saying, you know, people that get panic of short term, it's just crazy. You know, we still have a chance. We know that the people that saying 8k, 9k, I will wait till drops. It can. If it breaks this, it can go to 9k here. 9,500 actually, because we already holded that trend line, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna hold that trend line again. Then yeah, it's up to you what you wanna do, but I don't think so yet. I can't say it's gonna break, because no, I don't see any chance yet to break. We broke 50 RSI level 4 hour, and we're holding that so far, so all good for now. The only thing is I want to see Bitcoin to close above this 100 moving average, and we couldn't last night. Okay, we went up and we came back, and right now we went up again here, we came back. The one thing I'm hoping for, we break this, we stay up. Okay, we stay up above this, and that's what's gonna give a more confidence here. We may have some support here, hold for long for a while, so at least we close above this candle 100 moving average. Yeah, it's gonna go, or let's see where it's gonna go to. Let's look at the normal candles and the bigger time frame. If you see, we made doji yesterday. We made doji candle. Okay, that can be a reversal candle. Okay, who wants to know the next target, next big target? Okay, let's see what fib levels have to say looking at the current market. Okay, let's go from the where the trend started from, the first wave, top, bottom, the perfect mixture. Let me remove this. Alright, so what I'm looking for next is after the break of this, we're gonna hit 23,300, the next one 27,000, but the big one is 38,000, guys. 38,000 level that I'm looking for. 618. This is one of the big ones. Let's see how Bitcoin followed the past in the past, and depending on that we're gonna see, but it all depends on the FOMO and the buyer's power, and that change a lot of analysis as well. But let's see. Alright, so let's see. If we were here, imagine there is nothing happened yet, and we are here. So yeah, 38,000 is my next target for Bitcoin if we break all-time high, and if we don't come lower than this. 38,000 is my next target. Yeah, write it down. I do think it will go to, yes. Look what happened here. Okay, looking at the past history, that's what traders do. For example, we don't have any run here, like just forget everything what happened. We only see this level so far. Okay, just think we have only this results so far. What results I'm talking about? This one. Just like right now we have this. We have, just look at this box. We don't have this yet. Okay, just think like that. And from the taking the low and the high of this this wave, and then we had a correction of this wave, and then a new high was around 618 fib level, the extension, the 1.618. and looking at the new highs, for example, now just think this is one wave, this is big one wave. Okay, we take from the start of the run, high, low at the correction, and looking for 3.8. That's what I'm looking for. That's gonna be my some selling sign, that some cash booking. If we have a correction from there, all right, a correction, a 50% correction, okay. Oh, yeah, that's what I've seen, 50% correction. Looking at that, all right, wait. What I'm doing is, what I was going to do, yeah, I need to take from here. So what I'm expecting is to come back around 30, maybe 27, 25, 27, 30, something like that. And if we do that, yeah, this is a very good margin here. So yeah, that will be good. I will be selling there some, and then we'll be buying back or something. But 38 is my next target if someone is asking for that. Ether went from 8 dip to 550 and then 130. We can't say, I mean, looking at the technical analysis, mine says 38, but it all depends on others' choice as well. Like, people think mostly at 30, 40 or 50, like these physical levels, the odd numbers, but technically the fib level is very common for stock and big whales that use they use these type of levels, and depending on that, maybe future we will change the patterns and we will see that. Okay, if you're my subscribers, of course I'm gonna be sharing with you more and more, so chill out. The Litecoin will go up 100 at piece. Cheese, I will buy Litecoin 1000. How often would you take profit on the way? If it breaks the high, I mean it's gonna make new high, I wouldn't, it will be stupid to think of selling any soon. Okay, because it will give more confidence to new buyers. All right, this is gonna go to 100k. You will see the headlines 100k, all right, 500k, and then people will think that. But we're gonna see, if we see a FOMO, a hype, then you can expect a 40 grand or 45. But end of the day, 38 is looking at the fib levels of the past history. What past history moved we've seen, so it's gonna be similar moves. So 35 to 40k is the ideal to see. But sometimes what happens, we may see a big wick like we've seen here in Bitcoin, like this area. We've seen a big move in one day in Bitcoin. What? This is a huge move. Let me just see the measure this. How big is that? This was 44% move in one day in Bitcoin. 44% move, that's a huge move in one day for Bitcoin. So we've seen already that 44% move. So that's what happens when there is a FOMO will create like a huge spike. That will be a point to sell. You know, the best way to know when to sell is when there is a FOMO and when you see a huge spike of any coin. Like this is what I thought I should have done, sell, but I didn't. I was wrong. I did a mistake. That's what happens. That's what I'm trying to say here is you wait for that moment, because there will be a less selling, a weakness in the market. RSI will show you that easily. RSI, that's why I use a lot of RSI, because it did show very nicely. I even did Facebook Live on this. If you see this, look at this RSI, the first pump we've seen. Look at the power of RSI, and look at this, we made a new high, and but RSI down. You see this. This is the best way to use RSI, other than any oversold or whatever it is. I don't use that. I use RSI for this reason, that shows me weakness in the market and tells me this is the top, just sell it and get out of the market. Or it shows me the buy at the bottom. This is one of the bottom, just buy here. That's what I use RSI for. But people use oversold, overbounce, and this and that. They make, so many YouTubers make, they don't even know. They do videos on it, but they don't even know what the main reason, what they should use it for. The best way to use RSI is this, but unlikely not many know about this. There's what? No, this is not good. Okay, we still have the whole week to go, but this is not good. We broke 50 level. We broke here 50 level last time, but we made a V shape and boom. Weekly, we are turning our MACD bearish on weekly. How bad is that? Long term, not good at all. Monthly still boom bullish, but we came down here. Okay, maybe monthly will touch here. So if we try to touch here, the Bitcoin has to come down so much. It's gonna come down around at 7,000 and needs to stay there for a while, not just come and go. Look at this monthly, boom. Still look at selling. We only had selling here monthly. When the monthly candle is gonna close, we still have time. We made a doji on daily. We made a doji here as well, but we failed. I think 30k is the high, then Litecoin would have gone up. The thing is, everything is depending on Bitcoin price. Okay, Bitcoin price, if the Bitcoin price goes down, yeah, it will affect all others in Satoshi, because then Satoshi, if that doesn't go in Satoshi value, it will affect them. If Bitcoin price goes up, everything will go up. Look at Ethereum. Look at the Ethereum Satoshi chart. You will see still low than all-time high, but in dollar value is very high because of Bitcoin value going up. So that is why. We will see that 26th, but I can't say anything right now for sure what's gonna happen 26th. But if we break this levels and hit 12,000, it's pretty sure we're gonna see maybe a good move, but it's very hard to say at this point. And it's a risky strategy flipping BTC to USD unless you don't know what you're doing, because right now Bitcoin is not bad, it's sustainable right now. It's not so volatile like used to be in last few days. You see those red candles, but it's not similar as that anymore. Okay, those big there was no stamp, simply internet and feature market. There was so should I buy Bitcoin on this price? You can, if you want to buy Bitcoin here. I mean, you can. I mean, long term you can, of course. Okay, if you're thinking short term, it's up to you. Oh my god, I know that rumor about Litecoin. I don't think so. Facebook will do that. They will make their own coin. Okay, maybe centralized coin. I don't think they're gonna use this decentralized. They will make a centralized coin like the Facebook centralized. Okay, like XRP did. I really believe that they will, because they have a power still. They don't really need anyone. They have their own power to do that and have their audience. The price, maybe they will control the price. It will stay fixed per coin, like a Steem dollar. Per dollar is in the Steem, it's worth $1. So they're gonna do something like that. So you should be aware of that. Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, this is crypto. This is different. Stock market is different, but other technical analysis, yeah. Still, yeah, find a volatile coins and find their support and resistance. You can quickly make so many trades and make good profit there if the market is volatile. Hey, can you tell me the number of next support now? The current support is broken. I missed it. And so far that's fine. Bitcoin is holding the trend. You can see that Bitcoin's closed daily above the trend, and we are still above the trend right now. I don't see a reason of getting panic. There's no reason of getting panic in Bitcoin. We already bottomed out in Bitcoin. We came from 23 RSI level. That's a low. I mean, lower than this, nah, I don't think so. And we already making a higher, yeah, let me think. I always say that the opposite. Yeah, higher lows. We're already making higher low here. Okay, we just need to go slowly and keep making that movement and the break this level. If we break this is gonna be good, because in all other time frames we will be 50% RSI up and then move slowly. It's all depends on the patience. If we have good patience, and I don't know. I'm so tired, I can't even think of anything, because I went to sleep late night yesterday and woke up early, and just so much going on. I just found your channel. Chase the Mexico. I'll be close to the fire coming days. I will be interested in crypto. Superb, man. Thanks for being here and welcome as well. Mexico. All right, Mexico is interesting. You think it's gonna move? Yeah, it's gonna move. I'm expecting. There's nothing much left in Bitcoin other than moving up. Okay, looking at the market right now, there's nothing much left other than looking at the monthly and the weekly indicators and moves. Okay, if we go for a downtrend, if we want monthly and weekly to be in favor of us, I mean in favor of technical analysis or the Bitcoin, whatever, we need to go downtrend. The only way to change and make the good patterns good, in monthly and weekly, we need to go a downtrend for a year, at least a few weeks for weekly. So I don't think anyone wants that. Okay, we need to look for daily, and daily is looking good. Okay, so far we are good hands with the daily, but in weekly we are in weekly and monthly we are not looking so good. Okay, let's check what weekly 50 MA is saying. 50 moving average. Monthly, where is the 50? I can't even see 100. What? Bloody 100. It's not even 100 candle. What the heck? Why can't I see? Oh shit, I'm in monthly. Alright, it says 5,000 weekly. Do you really want 5,000? No, no one wants 5,000. But end of the day, it's very hard to say what's gonna happen. We're still bearish in weekly, like completely bearish in weekly. We broke all the support in weekly, and right now our next support is this 9,000. If we break 9,000, then the next support is 5,000. All right, 5,000. Yeah, 5,500 is our weekly support. Okay, that's what it says. Okay, I'm not making it up. I'm not making anything up here. So weekly is showing a huge bearish sign still, but the monthly is in daily is looks positive. Okay, we may change soon. Daily is still what I was saying, still bearish, downtrend. Actually, we haven't broke out yet to make a new higher highs and higher lows, so we haven't done that yet. It will take few days even in daily to make that. Okay, if you wanna invest in Bitcoin, go to local Bitcoin and start with small amounts. Find a trusted seller, okay, and watch video how it works. Watch the videos on YouTube how local Bitcoin works, okay, and then do that. Oh, there's a website, buy Bitcoin worldwide. Bitcoin, yeah, this one. When you go to this website, select your country and select the way you wanna pay, okay, and then and then you will see options where you can buy in your country, and it will show you the positive and negative of that broker as well. So okay, this is going to change the history, will show us a lesson. Yeah, negro it's going sell now. If it's going for 9K, shouldn't you sell now? No, I wouldn't. As I said just now, we're still holding the support. We haven't broke that yet. Okay, there's no reason of selling yet because we're still holding that support. Look at this. We have a huge how to say it, it's not coming in my mind right now. So basically we're still we broke and closed above 50 RSI level. This is pretty good sign because we already tested here, failed. Whenever we went up 50 RSI, after a few fails we had a good moves. We failed here as well, and we came here close here, we failed, and this did move up. and we had a rejection here, like huge rejection here, and which is not a good sign. These wicks you see, this is not a good sign. This only because of the daily 100 moving average, which is causing everything, and people are selling because of that. And whoever is not looking at that, just buying here, because we holding this trend and we close above this trend and we holding again. And I will still wait. I will wait for, as a holding long term, I'll still wait. We're holding this, as long as we're holding this point is fine. Okay, around 850, and then the next stop is 550. Would you say to buy before or after BTC alts? I didn't get that. You can buy alts, but tomorrow you can start buying, or today, slowly, small amounts, keep buying, because the thing is, they're not gonna move much. But maybe again, I said before, no one knows. Doesn't mean we had recently pump at 16th, 17th. We may see pumps this time as well, but there is no other option. We already seen the market is now already pumping. If the market was pumping right now from last few days, we may have seen the dumps. But more dumps than this is gonna be causing very big problem for us. But the only one option I see is, if you want to make big, you want to take risk, and taking risk right now can make you up to 20% per trade, because the coins are pretty low right now. Buy the coins that have a strong news, like ETC have a fork in March. I'm both and holding, and Stratis have good news as well, 31st January. And in March, TRX have good news. I will be buying TRX just because of the news. They have coin burn as well in the March, I guess, if I'm not wrong, but still there is a lot of time, so I will buy and hold. And there is a bust coin that have a news as well. There is another coin that have a news. So buy the coins that have a news. If you don't know where to look for news, go to this website. I will make a video on this and how to work with the news. So always sell before the news if you want to make good profits. Let's go to the next month. Oh, they changed these things. Okay, what we want to see is we want to see the events by next month. You know what's gonna happen, because next month is I'm hoping next month is gonna be a good month for arts. Okay, let's see for next 2 months which coin to buy and hold. Altcoin, don't even go for this shit. Don't buy the meetups. Airdrops, that's why I think it was pumping. What we have here, ADT token testnet release, it pumped already. ADT, I want to look for more ahead, because I don't want to look. Let's see if after 5 February and 33 here. No, XRP for yeah, yes, right, yes, you are right, it does follow like that way. Waves have a news about a drop. Which news is it? Waves always have a news, very active. One of my favorite coin is Waves. Okay, there is a pre-mine burning happening. Lux coin have a mining burning, and this is one good coin as well. A YouTuber was telling it that I follow. Lux coin, okay, and they have a good news as well. I think it does worth having some if it's not pumped yet. Yeah, still having a news. Fair exchange beta. Okay, fair stay tuned beta late testing. Is there their own exchange? Let's check. Stratis back up alpha beta in January, February, more in depth testing in location. Alright, let's see what other updates do we have. ICO Pitchco, Bounty, BTC. Okay, listing, Ethereum, BTC, Super Conference. Alright, here's the Tron news. One news, Tron Union and Stratis Bitcoin Super Conference. I'm not aware of that. Game.com, no, GTC, I'm not aware of that either. Nah, we will see that. 8k, I'm not sure about 8k, maybe 9500. We need to hold that trend, man. If we break those trends, we're gonna go very low. It's not like something, maybe we break but we close above that. That's one of more thing, like we did before. We break but we close above that, so that's possible as well. Just give me a second, I'm getting cold. This is the next huge news to look for Lisk rebranding. Okay, 20 February. Okay guys, you should not be missing this. 20 February, look for this. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be big. Look for this, 20 February. If you can get Lisk from the dip. What's the Lisk price right now? It's so strong, this coin. It doesn't dump. Piss me off. I can't buy low anymore. It doesn't dump, it doesn't go down much. Right now, it's so positive right now. Damn, this was a dip to buy. I missed it. I wanna buy this Lisk, seriously, because I know rebranding is so huge, like strong news rebranding. Near was only $2, and from rebranding it gone up so much. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm just waiting to buy this. It's very hard to come here. I wanna buy here as low as possible. Try to buy Lisk, 10k strong support. I honestly 9k was bottom. Yeah, I think the same. That's why I would buy at 9k. 9500 I would buy if it comes there. That would be my buying. ZCL meetup. Okay, we have news about Lisk in February 20. You can note these things. Okay, this is gonna give you good profits. We have airdrops for quantum. You can buy it for that as well. And I wouldn't care about conference. There's so many coins that are having conference. I wouldn't care about them. There is a Tron news, man. Oh my god, this is huge as well. VChain rebranding coming. Already VChain pumped a lot. If you find VChain from 618 fib level of 50% fib level, 0.5%, buy it for sure. Let's see what VChain is doing, because it's been pumping a lot. Okay, I don't know VChain. Win, I guess. Yeah, Win. I'm not sure. Win, I think it is. Damn, this is so too much. You see, this is the sign that you need to look for. A proper flag and then breakout. And same thing gonna happen here. Really hoping for that. Expecting a breakout, because it's done 2 let's see what selling volume is saying. Okay, we did see a lot of selling here. RSI weakness, a lot of weakness here. Yeah, you see again RSI gave us signal to sell. We are low here, but we are equal here. You see, that is the sign you need to look for. Alright, this is the top. Sell and get out. Anyways, what I'm looking for is I'm looking to buy this. This is so much. I really don't want to buy a coin that pumps so much already. I will see a pair short with it. Okay, mainnet release for Cisco. This is a great long-term coin. ADX having news. So many news coming, guys. So many coins. Just if you want to make profit, just note all of them. Go to this website, Coin Market Calendar (CEL). Go to this website and write down these news that have airdrops. Read what type of airdrops, and the news beta release, the releases, the mainnet release. These coins will, the chances of losing money with these are very low. And we have light pay news. What this feature public launch issued? Okay, I'm not aware of this. If it is real light pay Litecoin payment card, this is gonna be huge for Litecoin. So what I'm looking for is confirm it if anyone knows about Litecoin, if this is the real one. I mean, from officially done. Charlie Lee did announce this or something. If this is true, that officially they are launching their wallet or pay or card, this is going to be huge for Litecoin. And this is 100% a buy for Litecoin, I guess. I have admit I did get scared and sold when it went down to 8 something weekends. I know I want to recover. BTC next up for me is around 38,000. If we don't have a new low, if we don't break the 9,000, this is what my target is. But if we break that, then the target will change. I'm not selling, but I have to buy some. And what do you think about DigiByte? DigiByte, I already said about DigiByte. Buy something that have a news. Okay, go to this website, try to find coins that have a good news. Select the calendar. You don't even need to learn technical analysis for this. Just forget everything. The best way to buy and do it is just this. Alright, just go and find a news that have a 1 to 2 months left, a strong news. Start buying slowly those coins, okay, as they go down or as they go up. Okay, don't buy when it's pumped a lot. Try to buy slowly, accumulate those coins. And then I will make video on that, how you should be doing it, when to sell, when to buy. It's gonna be huge profits and without any big risk. The risks are super low, because if it goes down by news, it will gonna go up, because news does create a hype. This market works on a hype. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the notes of these coins that have a news, strong news, and that have a good community. Remember, the coins that had a past good hype and all those things, because they're gonna re-get the hype. Thank you. If it drops still at the start. Alright guys, that's it for me. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's been 2 hours, I guess. A pretty long one. I'm really hungry right now. I'm going to get something to eat, and then I was going to make a video. I may make a video. I'm not sure what should I make a video about, because I want to be different than other YouTubers that share the news every day. Whatever in the news that share the same thing, articles and all those things. I want to share knowledge, how to make profit in this market, so that the news okay. What is that contract affecting Bitcoin? Is it positive or not? Okay, we hit something. You see, we hit APP. I set an alert here at this coin, and someone did buy a lot of it. Instant buying happened here. Look at this. When you see these type of things, it looks like a huge accumulation going on here, because price not moving much, but only buying directly and then coming down, and then the more buyers order getting in, and that's what's happening right now. I will wait. I will keep an eye on this, because coins that haven't did the cycle pretty much yet, and this coin haven't done nothing much yet. It came down, and I'm pretty sure if it starts again, if it starts the pump again, we're gonna see a pretty big one again this time. Pretty big one. There's a huge gain possible here. Huge. Yes, right, huge. This coin is a big company as well, already established company. I already showed you they have a huge app like a Play Store. You're very welcome. The video when you buy and sell. Yes, I will do that video about not technical analysis. I will do how to buy on news and when to sell, and how to work with the news on fundamentals and the best time to buy, looking at just the basic of chart. You don't need to know the old technical analysis. Of course, if you want to learn, you can do that. The YouTube is full of technical analysis to learn, and you need to practice a lot. Thank you guys for info. You see you next time. Sure guys, see you next time. Have a great day. All right, enjoy your day, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.